The US dollar has been the world's dominant currency for nearly 8 decades. But today, BRICS nations are pushing alternatives, gold is hitting record highs, and even crypto is challenging its role. Could the dollar's power finally be slipping? A weaker dollar has trade-offs. It makes American exports cheaper and boosts corporate profits overseas. But it also raises the cost of imports, adding to inflation. For foreign borrowers holding dollar debt, a weaker dollar is welcome. But for Washington, it doesn't reduce the actual debt owed. Interest and principal still must be paid in full dollars. Politically, some leaders openly flirt with the idea of a weaker dollar. In July, Donald Trump said, quote, "A weaker dollar makes you a hell of a lot more money." Exporters may cheer, but officially, Treasury policy has long supported a strong dollar, partly to maintain global confidence in U.S. assets. What about BRICS? China, Russia, India, Brazil, and South Africa have increased trade in local currencies and even discussed a BRICS reserve asset. But replacing the dollar is far harder than headlines suggest. The U.S. still offers the deepest, most liquid capital markets, and global reserves remain over 55% in dollars. Cryptocurrency adds another twist. Bitcoin advocates see it as an escape from fiat currencies. But ironically, the rise of dollar-pegged stablecoins has expanded U.S. currency dominance in digital finance. In fact, stablecoins are now one of the largest sources of global dollar liquidity outside the banking system. Meanwhile, gold has surged above $3,600 an ounce. Why? Central banks are buying record amounts, and investors see a weaker dollar and lower U.S. interest rates ahead. Gold is both a hedge against dollar weakness and a hedge against geopolitical risk. So, has the dollar actually weakened? Broad trade-weighted indices show only a modest drop, less than 1% in 2 years. But against the euro, the dollar is down nearly 9% since 2023. For now, the dollar is bending, not breaking. What do you think? Will BRICS, crypto, or gold ever dethrone the dollar? Let us know in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe.